So hey guys, so check what I just picked up. This is for the steering wheel emblem. If you guys remember, I did the carbon fiber inlays, but I wanted to go a different route. So check this product out. It's from Carbon 6th Element. You guys probably heard of them. Check them out on Instagram. They make a ton of custom stuff. Here's what I just picked up. It's just a gloss black emblem for the steering wheel. Already has the adhesive tape on it. You just press it on the original one. I think it looks really sharp. I've been trying to get rid of all the chrome. So let me go ahead and show you what my current setup is. So if you remember, I just put those carbon fiber inlays in there, which I like a lot. I think it looks really good. But I think this will look a little better since I don't like the chrome emblem, since I blacked out all the other emblems. So I'm going to pull these off and then clean it really well. I would use like a alcohol or Windex, something to strip any oil. And it has a little indentation there, so it just sits right over the top of it. Super strong tape. So it'll look like that. I think it's gonna look sharp. Like I said, they do so much custom stuff. You can have all different colors of carbon fiber, all authentic. So check that out. It looks really sharp. Might have some fingerprints on it because I was touching it, but I think it blends way better. Add some more gloss black to pick up the little gloss black accents on the steering wheel. Looks really good. And like I said, you can customize it how you want. Any color, just check them out. If I was doing carbon fiber theme, I would probably run with that, but I'm trying to mix it up a little bit. Real nice quality product, you can tell. Nice and sturdy. I'll put a link in the description to their store. But like I said, they have awesome products. And not just emblems too, a ton of stuff. Mirror caps, spoilers. Highly recommend it, guys, if you're trying to add that little custom touch to your car. Easy way to do it. I like how it just ties all this in. The little gloss black I put on the shifter here. Really nice. Nothing over the top, but like I said, it's a nice subtle change. That's what I like. Just adds to the current car. So if you guys want to pick it up, definitely check the description. Check them out. Carbon 6th Element. And get yourself a nice custom emblem for your ride. Hope everyone's staying safe out there and doing good. Appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks, everybody.